Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. On the Solana chart, the price has reacted to the support region here. So let me explain the overall structure. We talked about, and I'm not going to show you the larger time frame today, we did that I think yesterday. The idea is we are caught in a wave 4 correction with next support levels at 196.77, 179.25 and 163.29. So this is an area with 3 Fibonacci support levels. We already reacted to the upper section here a few times. The price is dancing in that support area. You can see that the downside momentum is decreasing, and you can also see that we have labeled it, and talked about that in yesterday's video, labeled it in a way to suggest that the move up from the 10th of December low is a 5-wave move up. Now, 5-wave movements do give us an indication of where the price wants to move to, and that would be, in this case, the upside, okay? So you can see that from that swing low, there's a 5-wave move up and a 3-wave corrective pullback. So what does that mean? It means that after this 5-wave move up, which is a move that indicates the trend is up, at least locally, and after a 3-wave pullback, we were watching for a reaction. In the last update, I shared with you this corrective price channel, and the price reacted to the lower boundary line, and that's what we often see in these corrective pullbacks, and to the Fibonacci support area here between $215 and $209 on the micro level. This is really only relevant on the micro level. And it is possible that this is now a C wave to the upside. So we've seen a move up in wave A, a move down in wave B, and a move up in wave C. A, B, C. In wave B or wave 3. So that is the idea. Now that is based on the idea that this is only a corrective rally, right? So we are looking for another move down potentially. That's at least the preferred scenario. So that this move down into the 10th of December low was an A wave, but because of the 5-wave move up, I prefer a larger bounce like an ABC structure, and possibly targeting $244 next or $253. And then from here, at least we can watch for a reaction and a rejection and the start of wave C to the downside. A, B, C. Okay, so this is very, very important. What else? Yeah, I mean, it could be that this wave 4 that is likely still unfolding is already over. That would be here, the yellow scenario. That's why I highlighted a support area, because it could also be wave 1 and wave 2. And anybody who wanted to prepare for that could trade for the third wave and then another 4-5 to come, but we don't know that. So the idea is that in both scenarios short term, and I could be wrong about that because it's probably just a corrective rally, but in both scenarios we are short term on the micro level looking for higher prices. So far it's looking promising, but there is no substantial upside breakout yet. So whether this is a C wave or a third wave, we will have to see. And then there could be another wave 4 and another wave 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When we are up there, we can add support for wave 4. And then the support for this yellow wave 4 will be the pivot between a move down into the lower support region or another move to the upside in wave 5. And what do we need next for a confirmation that we are on our way towards that $244 level? I need to see a break above the green line here located around 227.50. That green line is our signal line. 2 previous swing highs got rejected there, and maybe the next one will break through here. The next attempt, we're currently trying it, and it also takes a break above the $234.50 level, which is the swing high from the 12th of December for further confirmation. Yeah. So this is what we are tracking here at the moment. We have a 1-2 setup, yeah, or an AB setup. And does it need to hold? No, but the pullback was corrective. It was a corrective price channel. We've now broken above it. So if upside momentum stays intact, then it should take us to $244 in the coming days, ideally. But what is the first level that now, if broken, will tell us that something is not playing out? As per this upside scenario? Well, it would be a break below that last swing low at 216, let's call it $217. That's the intraday low. The move up from the last low here, from today's low, overnight low, was actually a 5-wave move up, which is also an additional indication that we could be going up. But that is a very, very small wave degree, hardly reliable on this time frame, but that's how I'm tracking at the moment Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.